All right, we're graphing the function 2 sine 1/4 x, and we have to move these points to graph and adjust everything. So first thing, I just want to analyze our function. So a sine of bx minus c plus d. That's our standard form. So we're given 2 sine 1/4 x. That's it. So that means c is 0 and d is 0. So our midline equals 0. Sorry about the bell. Midline is 0, and then our phase shift, or our horizontal shift, is 0. So all we're worried about is our period. That's where the b comes from, and our amplitude. So I'm going to start by keeping our midline right here. It's at 0, but our amplitude needs to go up to 2. So that needs to go up to 2. And you can drag this around if you want to look more. You do shift plus, and then you can kind of move it as you hold down shift and plus. So I took our amplitude up from 0 to 2. Now I want to get the period right. So the period equals 2 pi over b, the absolute value of b, and b is 1/4. So 2 pi over 1/4, you would take 2 pi over 1 times 4 over 1, reciprocal of the denominator. So our period is 8 pi over 1, or just 8 pi. So I like to look at the maximums. We're going to take, well, that one's already at pi. So that's at 1 pi. So let's take it out to 9 pi because it needs to be 8 pi from cycle to cycle. Okay, so I'm going to move this one all the way out to 8 pi. So see how I start? Ooh, that's at 0. Oh yeah, that's right. So 0, pi, 1 pi, 2 pi to 8 pi. And our amplitude's 2, and that's the only thing we've had to adjust. This button, or this one, would move us left and right, but there's no phase shift. It would also go up and down, but again, there's no vertical shift. So all we had to worry about was the amplitude and the period on this one.